I do not trade cryptocurrencies. In other words, I do not buy low and sell high. However, I do invest in Bitcoin. I have been buying Bitcoin for the last several years on a dollar cost averaging basis as an investment for the future. And if you are a total newbie to crypto, then you are in the right place. This is the right video for you. Hello everyone, this is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com/profile. That's my website that you see on the screen there, and that's the place where you can go to find out more about Forex trading. However, this particular video is directed towards people who have no idea about how to get started buying Bitcoin as an asset, as an investment for the future. So that's what we're here to discuss. All right, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below this video, but let's go ahead and jump in and get started. First of all, I told you already my website, okay, which is rickrayfx.com/profile. And the reason I'm mentioning that again is because what you see on the screen here is Prosperity FX, and that is my YouTube channel. And I highly recommend that you go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel because there are many benefits to being a subscriber. One of those being that I have more than 300 videos which have been recorded over the last 8 to 10 years regarding Forex trading. So whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, there will be something there for you. And also, if you're a total newbie to Forex trading but you'd like to get started, I have self-guided video tutorials which will help you. There's about 10 videos there which you can watch, and they will help you set up the basic foundation to begin trading on the foreign exchange market. It will be an introduction to a demo account, how to sign up with a broker, how to use all the functions and features of the trading software, risk management techniques, etc., etc. But those videos are unlisted. So if you would like access to those videos, which are absolutely free, just contact me at my Telegram ID, which is @rickrayfx, and that link is below this video. And another benefit to being a subscriber to the Prosperity FX YouTube channel is that I do a weekly analysis. Every Sunday I make a video analyzing the charts and sharing my pending orders, my trade setups that I have for gold, all the major currencies, and usually one or two minor pairs. So that will help you, especially if you are a beginner. It will help you with your own trades to be able to make income, to be able to make profit on the foreign exchange market. And however you contact me, only use the links below. The links below this video are the only official links that I have. All right, there is multiple scammers out there all over the place trying to get you to believe that it's me, and it's not me. Okay, I will never ask you for money. All right, I will never ask you for your credit card details. There are people out there who are cloning my Facebook page, cloning my Telegram ID. It's not me. All right, so be sure and only use the official links which are below this video. So what about Bitcoin? What is the big deal about Bitcoin? Unless you were living in a cave, you would not know that the SEC of the New York Stock Exchange has just recently approved Bitcoin ETFs. Now, what is an ETF? Well, an ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. And that would be something like AGA, which is Amazon, Google, and Apple. In other words, you are diversifying your portfolio if you have invested in the ETF AGA. And now Bitcoin ETFs are available on the New York Stock Exchange. And what does that mean? Well, it means that John Doe, Jane Doe, anybody can buy Bitcoin now as an ETF, buy Bitcoin on the New York Stock Exchange. And so that's great for us, great for everybody, great for you, great to get that global acceptance of crypto. Crypto's been around for some 15 years, but there are a lot of people out there saying it's no good, it's not going to work, it's going down, it's going to go back to zero. Well, now it's been approved by the Securities Exchange Council of the New York Stock Exchange. So where can you buy Bitcoin ETFs? Well, if you just Google Bitcoin ETFs, you will find a list of the asset managers that are providing that, BlackRock, Grayscale, and others. There are 11 different asset managers where you can buy Bitcoin ETFs. So what if you're not in the United States or you don't have access to the New York Stock Exchange trading? Well, are there other methods for buying Bitcoin? Absolutely. Sure, okay, but there are some things that you need to know before you can do that. All right, first of all, you need to have a crypto wallet. And if you are a total beginner, total newbie, and don't know anything about cryptocurrencies, you're asking probably, what is a crypto wallet? Where can I buy one? Where can I get one? Well, a crypto wallet is not something made of leather that you carry around in your back pocket. All right, it's something like this: Trust Wallet, Zengo, MetaMask. It's an app that you download to your smartphone, either your iPhone or your Android phone, and you download one of these crypto wallets, and the wallet will give you access to your crypto, which is stored on the blockchain. All right, and with the wallet, say Trust Wallet, for example, you can easily purchase your cryptocurrency, and it will stay on the blockchain, and then you have access to it. You can spend it, you can send it peer-to-peer, you can buy various things. You can buy, for example, a Starbucks gift card or multiple other things, but you use your wallet, which is on your phone, which gives you access to the crypto. However, you must understand that a crypto wallet, such as the ones listed here, this does not give you self-custody of your crypto. All right, you do not control it. The exchange control it. All of these places, all of these wallets, Trust Wallet, Zengo, MetaMask, and the hundreds of others that are available for download, they are exchanges, and they will allow you to buy and sell and spend crypto. But they are the ones that have custody of your crypto. All right, you do not have custody of the crypto. So what that means is it could disappear overnight. If the exchange goes bankrupt, you're asking, can that possibly happen? Well, if you don't know about crypto at all, or you haven't followed, there was a big exchange, one of the most recognized in the world, FTX, and they lost $4 billion worth of crypto in a matter of days. Just gone, disappeared, vanished. And of course, the Sam Friedman, the owner, founder, CEO, he's now in prison. But this can happen to an exchange. All right, your crypto is with an exchange. You have access to it, but you do not have custody of it. However, there is a way that you can have custody of it, and that's what we'll look at now. For self-custody, all right, or to be your own bank, you need a crypto cold wallet. The others are called hot wallets, but to have self-custody of your crypto, you use a cold wallet. And there are various cold wallets available on the market. These are not free for download. These you must purchase. They are usually a device or a card. And the one that I recommend for you is Tangem. There are others available, and I have more than one. All right, but I highly recommend Tangem because it is what they say, the latest and the greatest. All right, this is a screenshot of what it looks like, and there are 3 cards there. All right, and just to briefly tell you a little bit about Tangem, it is credit card size. You can carry the card in your wallet. All right, but there are, when you buy the Tangem cold wallet, you buy either 2 cards or 3 cards. You cannot buy 1 card because the information on the card gives you access to your crypto funds, which are stored on the blockchain. All right, if you lose the card, you don't have access to your crypto. It's gone forever. That's why you buy either 2 cards or 3 cards. You have a primary card and a backup card. So you store the backup card in a safe place. If you lose the primary card, you still have access to your crypto through the backup card. And it's up to you whether you want to buy 2 cards, have 1 as a primary, 1 as a backup, or buy 3 cards, have 1 as a primary and 2 as a backup. Now, if you had 3 cards and you lost all 3, well, it's history. Okay, the money is gone. You never have access to your crypto because you only have access to your crypto funds on the blockchain through this card. And you install an app, a Tangem app on your phone. The phone reads the information on the card, and you can access your crypto through the Tangem wallet. Totally secure, 100% secure. In fact, the chip that's used in this Tangem Wallet is the same chip that's in your passport. It's the highest security available on the planet. And guess what? It comes with a 25-year guarantee. Have you ever heard of anything that has a 25-year guarantee? All right, pretty incredible. But go to their website, tangem.com, and you can find out all the specifications, all the information you need to know about how to purchase a Tangem Wallet. And they are very, very affordable. If you want to have a good deal, use the link below this video and get a 10% discount. Okay, so I hope this little bit of an introduction, little bit of information about cryptocurrency will help you to get started. I'm sure you might have some comments and some questions. There are going to be more videos coming about crypto. All right, as I said in the introduction, I have more than 300 videos on my YouTube channel, but they are all related to Forex trading. However, I have been buying Bitcoin, as I said, for the last couple of years, and now with the release of the Bitcoin ETFs, the approval by the SEC, we're seeing wider acceptance, global acceptance of crypto as a viable asset to buy and hold for the future. So I will be making more videos related to cryptocurrencies. But if you would like to get more information, I highly recommend that you watch this video here by this lady, Crypto Casey. I've been following her for a couple of years, and she is one of the most informed people on the planet about how to invest in crypto assets. And I will provide the link to her video just below this video. Okay, that's it for me. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them below this video and I will get back to you. Have a great day. This is Rick Ray signing off.